Hello kids, I Nikita Kaushik from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth welcome you all in your English class. So kids, what we have discussed in our previous class? Yes, these exercises, right? As you have seen, maybe you have seen, few more exercises are given in our book. Yes, 2 more exercises. So let us discuss the first one, what the first one is saying. There is a smaller word hidden in each of these words. Underline and write the hidden words in the blanks. One has been done for you. As you can see, here we have a box and few words are written in the box. Yes? And here we have 8 blanks. We need to write the correct word in the blanks. What to do with these words is, the first word that is clip, right? So if you will remove, actually what the main thing is, what the main task is, there is a hidden word, a hidden meaningful word in all these words. Clip is also a meaningful word, but when we'll remove C from this word, you will get lip. One more meaningful word. So you need to write lip on that blank. Another one is cluck. Okay. In the same way, when you will remove this C, then you will get luck. Yes. Let me tell you some more. Yes. Clown. Yes, but if we will remove this C only, then it will be loun. Loun is not a meaningful word. But if we will remove C and L both, what we will get? Own. Yes, O-W-N, own. One more I have. Clear. In the same way, if we will remove a single letter, C only, so what we will get? Leer. Is it a meaningful word? Does this leer mean anything? Obviously not. But when we will remove C and L both, then what we will get? Ear. So, a meaningful word is ear. Okay. In the same way, you need to try these rest of the words, and this is your work. Try it. Trying is the best thing. Okay. If you will not get the correct answer, I will give you the correct answer as well in the PDF form, but you have to try first. In the second part, in the second exercise, you can see here is a clown made for you. It's just your fun time. It's just for your fun time, just for your fun. Color this clown colorful. Okay, many of the colors, more and more colors you will draw, you will paint on this, and it will look more beautiful for you. Okay, and here are 2 blanks you can see. Color this picture, write 2 words that come to your mind when you think of a clown. Whenever you think of a clown, जब भी आप किसी clown को देखते हैं तो आपके दिमाग में कोई 2 ऐसे word कौन से आते हैं? आप इसे ट्राई कीजिए, जस्ट ट्राई इट फॉर वंस एंड द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी देयर इन योर PDF form. Okay, so till then, stay tuned and please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.